Welcome to the 2020 Wake Forest Independence Day Fireworks Spectacular.
We're so happy you could join us tonight for this annual celebration that brings us together as a community and lights up the sky with the beautiful colors of red, white, and blue.
So settle in with your favorite people and snacks, and let's kick things off with a welcome from our Board of Commissioners.
Good evening, Wake Forest, and happy 4th of July. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you for all that you and your family have done and sacrificed for our community, state, and country these past months. Your actions on behalf of your fellow citizens embody all the good things that we celebrate tonight. Thank you for staying strong.
While it's difficult to reimagine our Wake Forest Independence Day celebration without being able to have fun together as we did in the past, we have the ability to look back in this virtual format, and by doing so, we can enjoy the festivities together all over again.
That's right. Even though we are physically apart, we share great memories that are so vivid and fresh in our minds that they still give us reason to celebrate.
And to those with a patriotic heart, especially those who have served and still serve the red, white, and blue, tonight we celebrate you as well on America's 244th birthday.
So despite the distance between us and the challenges before us, thanks for joining in tonight's celebration.
As we celebrate the past and look forward to the future here in our wonderful town, Wake Forest.
What a wonderful town we live in.
We would like to introduce the kids from Camp Nahili at Flaherty Park, who will lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance. Thank you, kids. That was terrific.
And now we're happy to introduce our virtual national anthem as sung by the participants of the Wake Forest Star Spangled Sing-Along.
North Carolina.
It feels like we're all together and ready for some fireworks to begin.
Wait, we are. Check Facebook now for the link to the live stream video, which is about to begin.
Thank you for being part of our Independence Day celebration.
And enjoy the fireworks spectacular.